Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw Princess Belle. At first, I draw her eyes.
In a big old castle lived a prince so grand.
And her smile. Her eyebrow. I draw her face.
What's her name with a heart so true? Saw the good
I draw her hair.
Gray skies blue. Beauty met the beast in a magic place. Love broke the spell. Smiles on every face. Teacups dance around, candlesticks so bright. Magic filled the air on that starry night. Beauty met the beast in a magic place. Love broke the spell. Smiles on every face.
I draw her neck and her shoulders. I draw her dress.
In a big old castle lived a prince so grand, till a spell was cast, made him beast by hand. Beauty met the beast in a magic place. Love broke the spell, smiles on every face. Teacups dance around, candlesticks so bright. Magic filled the air on that starry night. Beauty met the beast in a magic place. Love broke the spell, smiles on every face.
I draw her
Teacups
shoes.
dance around, candlesticks so bright.
I
Magic
draw
filled the
her
air on that
necklace.
starry night. Beauty met the beast in a
I draw
magic
some
place.
details of her
Love
dress.
broke the spell, smiles on every face.
I draw her arms. Let's complete her hair. Brown,
In a castle far away lived a prince without a say. A spell was cast, he had to stay till true love came his way. Beauty came to break
she
the
has long
curse.
hair.
In the night they danced and twirled. Every tale and every verse spoke of them, a charming world.
Pink,
Beauty and the beast they meet.
yellow,
Magic happens when their hearts beat. Changes start, love so sweet. Till the end, their love complete. Candles sing and clocks delight. Dances twirl all through the night. Love's a tale, a shining bright. Turns the dark into light. Under stars they wished and dreamed. Yours and mine, or so it seemed. Nothing can
Orange.
be as it seemed. Love is more than it has
Thanks for
seemed.
watching.